Strategies for protecting 3D printing consumer electronics. 3D printing in consumer electronics accelerates prototyping, enables device customization, and lowers costs while reducing environmental impact. Patentable innovations, unique designs, novel materials, advanced processes, and integrated electronic functions. Protect IP by filing provisional patents early, emphasizing novel functionalities, and combining patents, trade secrets, and trademarks for layered protection. Collaborate with manufacturers, monetize patents through partnerships, and enforce licensing agreements to maximize IP value. Work with patent attorneys to draft strong claims, file global patents, and manage IP portfolios and licensing strategies. Contact us today to streamline your patent process and safeguard your innovations.